Hi everybody, this is going to be our new way of learning math for the next little while. And just want you to follow along and try your best. That's all I've ever expected from you is your best, your best, your best, your best. And I know you can do it. Now out of this first lesson, I want you to really focus on the vocabulary. Now we've been really focusing on the vocabulary of our other lessons, and it's really helped us a lot. Now, I want you to take a look at this workbook here. I need you to turn to page 641. Go ahead and pause me if you need to. I'm going to keep talking because I only have a certain amount of time and I want to make sure that I can get through this. And so if you need to pause me at any time, feel free to do that. Now the word customary. You're going to see that a lot throughout here. Now these are the way we measure, and it's only used in the United States of America and one other country. Everybody else uses a metric system. Say metric. Say customary. All right, perfect. So you've heard these before. Inch, foot, yard, mile. You've heard all those before. And go ahead and pause if you want to go ahead and study the pictures. Now, it says right here, a baseball bat is about 1 yard long. Since Jake's bike is shorter than 4 times, so they're thinking about 4 times of these, his bike is shorter than 4 yards long. So Jake's statement is not reasonable. Now, go ahead and fill these in. Remember, pause me whenever you need to. Jake's bike is about 1.5 baseball lengths long, because here's 1. Now, it's not quite a half, but the word about gives us that power. Now, pause and take a look at these. Now, liquid. Liquid is how much, how much water or something that has a water base. Volume, you're used to how high or how low to turn it for listening. Now, in this case, it's how much liquid can it hold. Again, this one is length. This is how long something is. This is how much a liquid can hold. And the weight is how heavy something is. So it says right here, about how much liquid is a mug full of chocolate? 1 cup. About how much does a grapefruit weigh? Well, a grapefruit is about bigger orange, so we're going to say 1 pound. Go ahead and turn the page. Pause me if you need to. Now on the next one, the metric system. Do you see metric here? Metric is used all throughout the world, worldwide. You name a country besides the United States, they use this type of measurement. Now length is how long something is. Again, liquid is how much liquid it can hold. And mass is how heavy. Can you say mass, please? Now say heavy. Mass, heavy. So I want you guys to really know this vocabulary. Now, pause me if you want to look and study these pictures a little longer. Millimeter, centimeter, decimeter, meter, and kilometer. For liquid, we have millimeter and liter. For mass, how heavy something, we have gram and kilograms. Now, is the length of the classroom greater or less than 1 kilometer? Well, it takes 10 minutes to walk 1 kilometer. Does it take 10 minutes to walk our classroom? No. So we can say that it is less than 1 kilometer. Now, it says about how much medicine is usually in a medicine bottle. Well, a medicine bottle can fit in our hands. And 1 liter is a little bit bigger, but think about a 2-liter bottle of soda. Half of that. Is that how much medicine we usually have? Not at all. So we know that it's going to be millimeters. Ooh, excuse me. And then right here, about a paper clip. A paper clip is light. So we know we can go with gram on this one. Again, pause me if you have to. I'm going to go to the next page. Alright, sorry about that. So I'm going to go ahead and erase this. All right, so again, over here is the vocabulary I want you to pay attention to. These three things right here, measure length, where we talked about the importance of the vocabulary. This is how heavy, and these are liquid. Now, mass. Remember what we said? Mass is how heavy. So would it be about a gram or a kilogram? Go ahead and fill it in. Pause me whenever you need to. Now, the length of a cell phone. Go ahead and write down what you think. Pause if you need to. Now, this one would be gram. And the length of a cell phone is not very long. So we would look over here at length, and we would be measuring in centimeters. Now width, we'll go over here to our length. Would it be 10 meters or 1 meter? 1 meter. The amount of liquid a punch bowl holds, would it be 2 liters or 20 liters? Now 2 liters, to put it in perspective, is a 2-liter big bottle of soda. Be about 2 liters, because 20 liters is a lot. Now, distance between Seattle and San Francisco. Seattle's in Washington, San Francisco in California. That's a very long distance. So would it be 6 miles or 680 miles? Go ahead and circle which one you think it is. Pause if you need to. It'd be 680 miles. Now go ahead and go down lower on your page. And here we are. Again, we have customary, which is what we use in the United States. Inch, foot, yard is length. Ounce and pound is how heavy. And cup and gallon is liquid. Now pause this video wherever you need to. But I will read this to you, and then we'll do it all together. Number 6 says length of a football field. Length. 7, weight of a pumpkin. Weight. Go ahead and take a look at these. This will help you. Circle the better estimate. Weight of a watermelon. 4 pounds or 4 ounces. The amount of liquids a fish tank holds. 10 cups or 10 gallons. And number 10 right here. It says write more or less. More or less. Here we go. Matthew's large dog weighs more than 1 ton or less than 1 ton. Now 1 ton weighs as much as a car. How much liquid? The amount of liquid a sink can hold is more or less than a cup of water. A paper clip has the mass of more than 1 kilogram or less than 1 kilogram. I'm going to go ahead and give you the answers now. If you're not ready, you can pause this video at any time. The length of a football field would be measured in yards. The weight of a pumpkin would be measured in pounds. The weight of a watermelon would be about 4 pounds. The amount of liquid in a fish tank holds about 10 gallons. Matthew's large dog weighs less than a ton. The amount of liquid a sink can hold is more than a cup of water. A paper clip has the mass of less than 1 kilogram. Hopefully you did really great. This part you're going to do on your own. Again, I'm going to go ahead and highlight what these mean so that these help you. I'm going to read through them, then you can pause and check your answers. Now, customary, again, is only used in the United States of America and one other country. These two right here help with weight, how heavy. These right here measure length. And these two right here, liquid. Okay, these two right here, liquid. Gram and kilogram. Mass, or how heavy. And this is length. All right. Number 1, height of a computer, foot. Number 2, weight of a table. Number 3, length of a semi-truck. Number 4, the amount of liquid a bathtub holds. Use the metric measure that you need. Number 5, mass of a grasshopper. Remember, mass is how heavy. The amount of liquid a water bottle holds. If I'm going too fast, go ahead and pause. You may rewind if you need to. Length of a soccer field, number 7. Number 8, length of a pencil. Number 9, mass of a chicken egg. Number 10, length of a car. Number 11, amount of liquid a drinking glass holds. Number 12, what is a better estimate for the mass of a textbook, 1 gram or 1 kilogram? What is a better estimate of the height of a desk, 1 meter or 1 kilometer? I'm actually not going to have you do this one this time. Go ahead and pause and answer these questions as you need. I'm going to go ahead and reveal the answers. The weight of a table is in pounds. Length of the semi-truck, yard. Number 4 is gallon. How much a bathtub holds. Number 5, grams for a grasshopper. Oh, geez. Sorry about that. And then, let's go and fix that. 6 would be liter. 7 would be meter. 8 would be centimeter. 50 grams for a chicken egg. 12 feet for a car. And 8 ounces for liquid. Now, what is the better estimate of a textbook? 1 kilogram. And 1 meter for a desk. Go ahead and turn the page. I will read through it. You may pause at any time, and then I will reveal the answers. We're on page 646. Right, number 1. What unit would be best to use for measuring the weight of a stapler? Number 2. Which is the best estimate for the length of a car? Number 3. Bart practices his trumpet 1 1/4 hours each day. How many hours will he practice in 6 days? 4. Millie collected 100 stamps for different countries. 32 of the stamps from the countries in Africa. What is 32 hundredths written in a decimal? Deidre drew a quadrilateral, number 5, with 4 right angles and opposite sides for the same length. Name all the kinds of polygons that could be used in Deidre's quadrilateral. Number 6. How many degrees are in an angle that turns 1/2 circle? Alright, here are the answers. Ounces for number 1, about 4 meters or 12 feet for number 2. Number 3, 7.5 hours or 7 2/4 hours. 32 hundredths on this in the decimal. Number 5, parallelogram, rectangle, square, and rhombus. And number 6, half circle has 2 90-degree angles, so it's 180 degrees. And that is everything in the lesson. Each day this will get easier. I believe in you. You can do it.